Welcome to EMC How-To videos. How can Networker be configured to backup a UNIX raw device? In reference to EMC's support solution article ESG 59701. This video demonstrates how to configure Networker to backup a raw disk partition on UNIX. Considerations for backing up raw partitions. The term raw disk refers to accessing of data on a hard disk drive, or other disk storage device or media, directly at the individual byte level, instead of through its file system as usually done. To backup a raw disk partition on UNIX, we need to create a directive using rawasm. Rawasm is used to backup /dev entries and their associated raw disk partition data. Unlike other application-specific modules, this ASM follows symlinks, allowing the shorter /dev name to be configured. Precautions when using rawasm to backup UNIX raw partitions. If the raw partition contains data managed by an active database management system, ensure that the partition is offline and the database manager is shut down. If rawasm is used to save a partition containing a UNIX file system, the file system must be unmounted or mounted read-only to obtain a consistent backup. Now we will see how to configure a raw device backup. Go to NMC console and click the Configuration tab. At the Configuration tab, select Directives. Now create a new directive by right-clicking on Directive and selecting New. Name the directive raw. Any user-friendly name can be used. Under Configuration in the directive window, provide the raw partition details. Press the OK button. Once the directive has been created, move to Clients section. Select the client for which one needs to backup the raw device. At the General tab of the client's property, in the Backup area, mention the raw partition in the Save Set field. After the raw partition details are specified in the Save Set field, select the directive using the drop-down list. Scroll down and select Raw Directive. Once the raw directive is set, press OK. Now the client has been configured with the directive to backup its raw partition.